Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI animations in Runway in 2026. So if you want to turn ideas, images, or text prompts into animated videos, Runway gives you powerful AI tools to make the process simple. First, sign in to your Runway account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, create a new project and choose an animation or AI video generation tool. Next, decide how you want to start your animation. You can create an animation from a text prompt, an image, or existing media, depending on the tools available in your workspace. If you're using a text prompt, describe the scene in as much detail as possible. Include the subject, environment, movement, lighting, style, and overall mood of the animation. You can also combine multiple AI-generated clips and edit them together to create longer and more polished animated sequences. When you're satisfied with the final animation, export the project using your preferred quality settings and save it to your device. Finally, keep experimenting with different prompts, art styles, and motion descriptions. So the more you practice, the better your AI animations will become. And that's it. That's how to create AI animations in Runway in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.